Hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Put that thumb up so that you can let YouTube know that you like the content, and share the videos. That's very, very important. Okay? Check out my links below. Alright, so we're going to be making some Jimmy Dean sausage and some penny pasta, whole wheat penny pasta, and we're going to top it off with some cheddar cheese. Sounds good? Okay, so let's do that. Thank you. Okay, so I have here 3/4 of a pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. 3/4 of a pound. So we're going to put that in the frying pan. I'm going to add some milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was about 4 tablespoons of milk. And then I'm going to just break it up and mix it in with that milk. The milk is to make it soft. And if you can't have milk, you put whatever milk you use, or if that doesn't work, you can add a little water. You know, pork is kind of tough, so I was trying to soften it up. Okay, wash my hands. Okay, let's add some seasoning. We're going to add some granulated garlic. Some Sassoon everything. And some black pepper. The Sassoon everything I got from Job Lot. Okay, $2.99. And this is 8 ounces. Okay, so now I'm going to mix that up. And I'm going to season that one more time. Same seasoning. Okay, I'm going to put this on top of the stove. This pot back here, I already have on heating up the water for the pasta, okay? Okay, let's turn this on. So while those items are getting started, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is help. Help. Help is on the way. Just as soon as you get up and help yourself. That's the help you're gonna get. Help. is on the way, and that is you. Help yourself. Okay, that's the word of the day. A quick one. Okay, so our Jimmy Dean pork sausage is done. So now I have a large can of crushed tomatoes. You can use tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, or whichever you like. I like to use the crushed tomatoes because you can actually see that it's real tomatoes chopped up, and it kind of tastes better for me. So I'm going to mix that in with the sauce. And now let's add some seasonings. Granulated garlic. And I want some black pepper. Let's see where that's at. There it is. Black pepper. Let's mix that together. Now we're going to have cheese with this, but the cheese is going to go on the top. Wow, I'm waiting on my water back here to boil. Alright, so we'll let that heat up. I do want to add one package of sugar substitute. And the reason why I add sugar substitute, you can add regular sugar or no sugar, is because tomato sauce is bitter. So I'm trying to cut some of that bitterness. Okay, so let me get out my cheese. And I'll bring you back when this comes to a boil. Okay, so our sauce is done. The only thing I did is I added some Italian seasoning while the camera was off. So add that to your recipe. I'm going to cut the sauce off. And our water is ready for the penne pasta. This is 4 ounces, okay? Whoa! That was interesting. I don't know why that did that, but okay. No harm done. Okay, so we're going to let the pasta come back up to a boil. In the pasta water, I have some olive oil and salt, okay? Alright, so we'll be back when that comes back to a boil. Thank you. Okay, so our penne is done. I tasted one and it's al dente. That means not really soft and not hard. You want to have a little bite to it. So I'm pouring the water off, and then I'm going to pour cold water on the pasta to cool it down. I'll pour that cold water off, and then pour some more cold water on it and cool it down one more time to stop the cooking. I'm stirring it to cool it down. Okay, I'll pour this first batch off. Now I'm pouring more cold water on it. Okay, I'm going to let that sit in the cold water a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to pour the second cold water off. Okay, now I'm going to put the penny in here that is cooled down, so it stopped the cooking process. Okay, so let me set up my plate with the cheese and show you. I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see I put the penny pasta down first, and then the sauce I put right in the middle so that you can see the pasta on the edge. Presentation, okay? Alright, so now I have some cheddar cheese. I'm going to put that cheddar cheese right in the middle of the pasta. So you don't want to cover all the pasta. You want to see a layer of the pasta, the layer of the meat sauce, and the layer of the cheese. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave on. Well, I'm going to try a minute first. I just want the cheese to melt. And that's going to be our presentation. So let me put it in. Okay, we're going to set it for 1 minute. It's still cooking, I checked. It's not, the cheese is not melted yet. Okay, I'm going to let it cook for a half minute more, so that'll be a total of 1.5 minutes to let the cheese melt, because it wasn't totally melted for our presentation. Okay, so in a few minutes I'm going to take it out. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. Oh, what a beauty, huh? That's what you want to put on your table. You know? That's what you like about going to a restaurant. The presentation. Okay, so let me taste that for you. Okay, guys. Let's take a taste. The sausage is nice and tender. And that the pasta is not overcooked, it's al dente. And the sauce is awesome, awesome. Good job. So you like the presentation with that cheese on the top like that? See that? Okay, I brought it home to you. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below. Until next time, thanks for stopping by. And oh, by the way, that Jimmy Dean sausage was $2.99, a lot cheaper than ground beef for the same end results. Just thought I'd tell you that. Okay, bye.